And AD Denim Light. SMLXL still available. AD Denim Light. Okay, ma'am, next tayo sa suot ko, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, free size yung suot ko, ma'am. It has two colors. Two colors, ni sister? This one? Two? No. 4 hours ago. No. Excuse me? Ma'am, si ko na nito. It has two colors, ma'am. Taupe and gray. Taupe and gray. Code, ma'am, for this is 0 lang. 046, ma'am. Still available, ma'am. Taupe and gray. Free size nila.
Free size.
Free size, ma'am.
Up to 2XL.
Up to 2XL. 40, ma'am. 40 bust and 40 waist lang.
1,720 lang po mga ma'am. Via air cargo po tayo.
Ma'am, sa suot ko, ma'am, super nice and napakamura po. Ayan, ma'am. Wait lang. Flex ko po muna, ma'am. Ma'am, for this one, ma'am, free size tayo, ma'am. 40 bust and 40 waistline. Ayan, ma'am, malapad po ang kanyang pants. And stretchable yung front, armhole, and zipper siya, ma'am. Ayun.
Zipper.
Ma'am, pwede siyang wait lang, ma'am. I-design. Teka lang po. Parang ayaw ma-open. Wait lang.
Para ba?
Para bang... Ma'am, I am wearing the color black. Sorry? Ma'am, ang DP, ma'am.
Okay ra. Si Ma'am Anchu, after na lang.
Ma'am Ancho, pwede po after live, ma'am. Pwede po. Main lang po kayo, Ma'am Ancho. Okay lang daw. Ma'am, dito, ma'am, sa suot, ma'am, pwede po siyang Hello, di ba? Very nice. This is free size. Ma'am, Ma'am, ang kanyang length, ma'am, is 39 ang length ng pants, 40 waistline, and 40 bust. Free size yung suot ko, ma'am, ha? Free size. This is the black, ma'am. Meron tayo navy. Ayan yung, ma'am, denim yung kanyang stripes. Ma'am, ha? Denim yung kanyang stripes. Cotton po yung kanyang material. And it has stripes na denim, pati po yung kanyang pants. Top to bottom, ma'am. Denim yung kanyang stripes. Up to 40 bust and 40 waistline. Free size to, ma'am, ha? I am wearing black. Ayan si navy. Wait lang, wait.